I'll start with this land pack. He's going to use Hovering Flame. It's a bonus action. I get it exact. So push 5 inches. Then I will take a walk. And then another walk.
Okay, I will start with good old boy.
Okay.
You will first take a walk. Here, within 3 inches of the Olaf, George and Olaf. And since he don't have focus, he will get one after the walk because of backup ability.
Okay, so if anyone who doesn't have focus ends a walk within 3, they get focus.
Yep, and then
And
concentrate
focus.
the second time. And yep, he's done. He's done.
All right. We're going to go to this corpse cannon. Yep. It will use its bonus action, light the way. Push all corpse markers within 3 inches in any direction. And these guys count as corpse markers for friendly abilities.
Yep.
So this corpse marker is just going to get pushed. And then the actual corpse marker whose activation is will just walk. And then walk one more time. All done.
Have only go on Som'er. I will just focus as usual, as normal, and walk here,
Hi.
and some more. And good old boy, and Granny, I need a 12. And no, we need so cheap 13.
Nice.
And the trigger is remove one upgrade, one Som'er upgrade from my summoning model.
Okay.
So I will remove the upgrade from good old boy.
Okay. So normally when you summon, they are slow and they get the trusty flask.
Yep.
Okay.
And they will still have no snow because
So it shouldn't be slow.
no, it is
Oh.
a remove.
Oh, it's like
So-
attaches then removes.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay.
And yeah, is an
Alright. So walk. Bonus action, light the way. Push corpse marker 3 inches. And then finish his walk. Wander.
he can next to different bring here active and he can look at the coffee card. Well, not really cool. But whatever. Okay, first he will sober up this good old boy. And so first the sober up remove the snow and give a focus. Then the trigger will push another minion 3 inch toward the target. And the second action will be calculate the probability. Remove 10 cards and pick 3 non-joker back to the deck.
On the bottom?
No, area and shuffle.
Ah, okay.
Yep. That's the room bring.
Okay. Field bearer is going to just walk and walk. All done?
Then he will first use the bonus session to concentrate because of the shouting order. Then he will toast Bourbon Breed
Hi.
and then walk. Yeah. And
Hi. Comes the exciting walk. And another exciting walk.
George and Olaf walk here, and because the upgrade gives them strict guard, I will have a focus. So he will do the bonus session who wants the gremlin turn. 5 to success, a pass, so I will give focus with all minions within 3 inch.
Nice.
I will do it after. And the last action I will focus second time. And that's it.
Let's go to the lamp pad, the last lamp pad. Going to walk. Walk. And then as a bonus action, hovering flank, I need a 6. I would cheat in.
I have to discard.
Cheat in 8. So then I push 5.
I think I will go with this guitar and just double walk.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Yep. That's it.
Okay.
Nice sound.
So I'll walk, and as a bonus action, I'll use exclamation.
Coffee.
So I need to get a 6. Nope. So I'll cheat this 8 in to put 2 coffin markers down.
Yep.
Anywhere within 6.
Can the coffin be removed?
Yeah, they're destructible. So the coffins are height 2, blocking, destructible, and impassable.
On guitar, more specific, 5 to here.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay. 1, 1, 3 to there. I'll walk one more time. And then he will do protect the spirits just in case you do something crazy. Got it? So models within 3, he pulses shield into them. So corpse candle, both corpse candles, the shield there, and the drop.
Walk this guy.
Okay.
Yeah. And just double walk.
Okay.
And he's done.
Okay. She will horse up to here, then horse over to here.
Yeah.
And focus. Concentrate.
Okay. Oh, you are done.
Yep.
Walk. Over here. And get off the snow. She will just walk here. And nothing can shoot, I think. Okay, then he will focus again. And that's all my
Okay.
model.
All right. Into round 1. No conditions, no nothing. So yeah.
And weapon brain. And calculate the probabilities. And I will walk and end.
Okay. Corpse candles, let's do your job. Is going to take a walk to here. Sorry, a little bit close. So he can light the way to push this guy. And then he's just going to walk up into there.
He is going to explode.
Hopefully. I'm going to do it to tie up that mosquito.
Moving up here. Then we move 1 coffee.
Sure.
So,
Okay. 5, 2, 3 time that guy.
double walk.
Yeah, just double.
This is a little. No, what are you just double walking?
Throwing the chap at each other.
Engaging you.
Nice. Alright, the shield bar go. It can't charge, so it's just gonna have to walk over to here and try to swing on that guy.
Yeah.
This is gonna be resisting your defense. I have stacks of 5. 18.
Oh, I'm not going to cheat.
I will drop a corpse in base contact with you with a corpse strike.
Okay.
So
Strike.
flat. Yeah.
Yep.
What? How many wounds?
And the free.
3 wounds.
Are you shooting?
I'll cheat this up to 3.
Then I'm just die.
And then I drop an extra corpse in the base contact to you.
Yep.
I have 1 bonus left.
Yep.
I will use Blasphemous Ritual. I target a corpse marker.
Yep.
I remove it. Friendly models within 3 get focus 1. So I think that's going to be... Yeah, so just Vincent and the Jogger are going to get focus. And then the Shield Bearer is done.
You will just walk here. What's the defense of the candle?
Oh, terrible. 4? Oh, no, 2.
2.
Yeah.
Cool. Then I will try to shoot with the candle.
Okay. Does he ignore friendly fire?
No, so I will have the minus.
Okay.
But I have stat 7.
8.
So
13. Those look
2 damage. Would it be enough?
2 wounds, I believe. Yes, that's it.
2 then.
So I will turn into a pyre marker and a corpse.
Cool.
So put the pyre marker right here, touching both Big Brain Ben and
Okay then.
the good boy, and then I'll put corpse marker right there as well.
Okay.
Alright, so the Lampeg is going to go ahead and take a walk. We will charge the, yes,
This guitar.
resist DF.
DF 7.
Yeah,
Okay.
no. Okay, that failed. Bonus action, hovering flame. I push go, ignoring models.
Yes.
For every model that I pass over, they get burning 1.
Cool.
5 to here. So I'm gonna get Big Brain, the Skeeter,
Skeeter,
and the
Good old boy. Yeah.
and then my corpse candle as well.
Cool.
And then the lampad's done.
Activating this good old boy or good old girl, she will charge Lampad.
Let's do it.
Okay. Using focus on the first attack. Yep, 6 against your defense.
Only 4. Cool. What? I get a 15.
Yep, 17.
Alright, go ahead.
And 3 damage.
3 damage. Okay.
So, second attack, focus again.
14.
Oh, 14 as well.
Oh, nice.
Good shooting?
No, no cheating.
Okay, then I will cheat. And 11.
Oh, okay.
Here for onslaught.
Oh, onslaught? Nice.
Yep. 5 is not good enough. I will cheat from the deck.
Oh, by
Because
2
of
card?
the- Yep.
Oh,
Same, but
so 2 damage?
2 damage.
Okay. I'm down to 4.
Cool. Then I will have a trigger threat attack. Focus again.
Last focus.
13.
9.
Good enough. And 4.
Okay.
Just kill.
That will kill me, but I have Demise.
Yeah, sure.
Possessing Flame. After this model is killed, I can discard a card
Yeah, sure.
to place myself in base contact with a pyre marker within 6. If I do, I heal 3 and I remove that pyre marker.
Wow, that's great.
So I'm gonna go woof, and then I remove that pyre marker. And then he has 3 wounds left.
And I think I'm done here. Yeah.
That's a good old boy?
Good old girl.
A good old girl.
Yeah.
Nice. Man, they can pack out damage. That's good. Going to fly to there. It's going to charge on in here to Lenny.
Oh.
I have a 15.
I have only an 8. No. So 19. You need a 13 as well. Okay.
I'll trigger infect.
Sure.
It'll be 3 cards.
Hard to win so far.
Oh, okay. Oh, stupid lucky. So moderate, 4 damage, and 1 poison.
Really? Okay, then I will show stone for it.
Okay.
And 3 plus poison.
Then I will use
I
bonus
also
action. Activation. Yeah, let's protect ourselves.
Oh, it's annoying. I'm doing this good over,
Okay.
and I will try to shoot on the Raven.
He has terrifying 12.
And I am willpower, so I need a 7. First, just pass.
Nice.
And it will be I will use a focus on the first shoot.
Okay.
Get over the friendly fire.
Okay. So this will be normal.
Yep, but I have set 7. But what?
I get 8.
8 too. 8 as well.
Your stat 7?
Yep.
Oh, because the
Step
bonus is
5
from Big
and-
Hat, right?
Yeah.
16?
Okay, let's do this. 13.
All right. So that'll be -1.
And I have focus.
So flat.
Yep. 1. And do I within 6 inch of Som'er? And yes. So I will cheat from the deck.
Okay.
For the damage. Wow. It's just 3.
3?
3. Plus the trigger one shot, I will plus 1 damage. So 4 damage.
Okay. And then who gets hurt?
I'm giving damage to the George and Olaf.
Okay.
George and Olaf have an ability called What Are Lovely Days. If they suffer damage, they can push up to 4 inch to the model who damaged them.
Nice.
So I will try to shoot.
Great. So terrifying.
Oh, yeah. No.
That'll fail.
No. And success. Choose from the deck.
Oh, check from there. Okay. 17.
Red.
Oh no! Well, I got a 17 at least.
I will do the ricochet.
Ricochet? Okay. Choose another model than 3.
Yep. I think. Yeah, this guy is cool. Okay. So strike. 3 damage.
Okay.
And ricochet, same as the modifier of the attack, will be 4 damage. And I think I have just killed it the second time.
Yes.
And I am done here.
Okay. Yeah, he is going to try to shoot this corpse candle.
Okay.
So I will relent, so I just flip the attack.
Yeah.
Got it.
Then he's killed.
Yep, and then he drops. So when Vincent kills something, he drops a pyro when they die.
Yep.
So it's, I want to
2.
drop 2 pyro markers and a corpse.
Okay.
Right here. And this guy's away.
Yep.
I will try to shoot that skater with the flurry. Or with the rapid fire.
Cool.
It's 18.
And I will just focus for 12.
Okay.
Oh, white. No, I'm not cheating.
So 18 to 12 is flat. That'll be 2 damage, but they're 3 damage, right?
Yep.
Alright, that'll be 4 damage. Or so it'll be 3.
So it will be killed. And again, prime marker, right?
Yep. Fire marker comes out. I'll put this one right there.
Cool. Then I will. Never mind. Here.
I'll do the bonus action, Protective Spirits. I need a 6. That'll fail. Just gonna go ahead and I'll walk around to there.
Cool.
I'll still stay there, take some cover. Alright, Vincent's all done.
Cool. So I will walk here and remove this coffin.
Okay. Whoops. Oh, sorry.
Then he is done.
Okay. Let's go to the Draugr. And he's going to try to charge to there.
Okay.
He will then use that burning he got from walking through it to charge up his attack. 15.
Oh, crap.
Oh, Black Joker?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do shove aside. 4 damage. And then I shove aside. So I push you 4 inches away, which will trigger another burn.
Yeah, sure.
And then I push up to 4 inches.
And attack another model.
Yeah, and then I will punch Brim. Only a 10 then.
So 14.
Okay. Thomas. Draugr's done.
And he will try to shoot at the emissary
Okay.
with focus. Cancel out the friendly fire.
Sure. Terrifying 12 plus?
Oh, he has the upgrade.
Oh, that's right. He's got the upgrade.
Roofness.
19.
7. No, let's check this. No. Okay, and the second shot we focus.
Alright.
The last focus. So 1.
12.
No, I really want to hit this one, so I will have you don't have any hands. Then 9.
Okay.
4. And I think then you will drop this strategy marker.
No, I'm hard to kill.
You will drop at 1 wound.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. You're right.
So
Yeah, I think eventually. Well, you could probably do it like here.
okay, just let.
You know, you don't have to walk all around me, I guess.
Okay then. And I think I will put this one. Vendetta, George and Olaf and emissary.
Yeah, they're gonna choose George and the emissary. At the end of the negotiation,
So,
essentially deal damage.
aftermath.
Yeah. So you get 1 victory point for that.
Hi.
All right. Let's go to Reva. She's gonna charge to here.
Oh, charge. Yeah.
Yep. And when she charges, she's gonna choose a model with shielding to attack through, or a corpse marker. And so he has shielding right now from the thing, so I can attack through him. So I will have Reva attack through him and try to kill that good old boy.
Cool.
13?
10. 16.
16? Okay. That'll fail. Okay, let's just try again. 11?
11 as well, but no.
Okay.
You hurt.
And let's do one last one. See if Reva can do something this turn. 13?
It's really. But luckily I have hands.
Alright. So I am done.
Move here. Yeah, okay, I will just remove the coffee. And that's all.
Okay. Walk. Walk.
Som'er, I will press. Try to Som'er. Using soulstone for the mask.
Okay.
So I need a 4, 10, 12. Oh,
Nice.
well, marker here. So it will gain slow and the Som'er upgrade.
Yep.
And make me proud to expose him for the damage.
Oh, okay.
For the first, yes.
Oh, it just deals 2 damage. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then I am. Never mind, I will just walk up here.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. And this guy dies, right?
Yeah. Okay, then the speed card will just try to heal this guy
Okay.
for 2 heal.
Okay.
So they back up to 5. And that's all.
Oh, and Spithog takes damage, burning.
Oh, so actually I have 2.
2? Okay.
Because when I summon more, I'm place them.
Oh, yeah,
place
this
it
is the move.
inside.
Yep.
Wow, it's hurt. Okay.
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 That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I score research mission. 1, 2, 3. Different markers. So
Yeah,
I'll
sure. I will suffer burning damage. A street hop, good old boy, and the green.
The Draugrs cancels the shield, so he takes no damage, but he keeps the burn.
Oh, then we have poison, so 1 damage. The first name plate.
Oh, yeah, he would have dropped one too. You're right. So I guess it's around here somewhere.
Yes, okay. Okay, then I think I have to try to stop Navy. Okay, let's start with Nanny.
Okay.
So I'm walking here, charging you. No, not using focus. Just strike through.
Okay.
Yep. Draw. Okay, I'm cheating from deck. No. So 11. Yeah, that's all.
Right. Let's go to Reva. Reva's thing is at start activation, I can summon a corpse candle with burning 1 into a corpse or a pyre marker. I don't have to start anything for that. So I'm just going to swap this guy. So, sorry, like rotate. There. And we're going to attack Letty.
Then I will use the focus.
7.
Sure. So 18.
18?
Yep.
Okay, that just fails. That sucks. Attack one more time.
3.
19?
I will cheat a 9. This will put me up to 15.
15 would push here and there.
Okay.
Black Joker.
Ooh, but you are even now.
I still push it though.
Yep. Yep.
And now last attack on Som'er.
Cool. Someone is 6.
17.
No what? I will let it go. Yeah.
Alright, I got the push here and there.
Yeah.
So 17, 13, -1, right?
Yep.
5 damage.
Okay. 5 damage.
Yeah.
Okay, I will stone for it absolutely.
And then I'll push you.
Oh, wait, drop out. That is reducing all damage, right?
Yeah. So I'll push you there.
I will just want to keep up with the mark.
Okay. Jeez. What are you doing, eh?
The move here, base contact to both 2 marker. And second action will remove this marker for 1 VP. Yep. And the bonus action to remove this corpse marker to flip a card. And this ends.
Lampad will charge to here.
Oh. So, sorry.
11?
10.
Right. 2 wounds.
Good, then I am dead. Oh, I actually have a focus, but never mind. I dead, but I can now draw a card and discard a card. And Nanny shooting on you. Yep. Oh, still hitting. Still hitting.
Yeah.
And no trigger.
Losing all these card duels.
Minus 1.
Yep.
2.
2.
2. That's only. Yep.
I'm going to use Hovering Flame. Push 5 inches. Actually, I'm going to go to there. Get Som'er and my corpse cannon. And punch old Cranky.
Oh no. You should be nice to the old guy. So I'm focusing in defense 5.
I got 8.
to 15.
15. Yeah, that's his guys. And then, yeah, he's got a murder too.
And start with Som'er. First, I will summon 2 models
Okay.
and buying a mask using Soul Stone. I need a 4 plus 6 plus 2, so 12. Nope, and cheating this one.
Okay.
Never mind, just here.
Okay.
First, just beat the name pad.
Alright, just attack Lampet.
Yeah.
10.
9. How about this? 16.
What is the damage?
2v4.
Oh, yeah, I'll take it.
Cool. Then it will be
-1.
Yep. So 2 and 2 inch away. Okay. Should be here. Then now I can shoot on Levy. Using focus.
I'll use my focus.
13.
15.
Okay, I will cheat from that. Oh, that's what? That's 18. Plus the trigger is push up to 3 inch and stun.
Stun. That's
Stun, yeah.
well.
For sure.
Yeah, so much to do with that. Okay, go ahead.
So, let's come to hang out with Nanny again.
Okay.
And stun. Oh, and damage will be, and cheating from deck will be a free. That's all. Som'er.
Yep, he's gonna try to murder Big Bang Brin.
No, I will use protect by you to redirect the attack to this one. 17 now.
17 now? I got a 17 as well. 2, 3,
Oh.
6.
Okay, he is dying.
Alright.
Yep.
The lamp pad's gonna heal for 1 because of the final veil. Anytime something dies within
Really?
6.
And yeah, your strategy marker.
Yes, the key. I'll put that right there. Cool.
Then I'm dead.
Let's go ahead and target the Spit Hog with Draw Flame.
Okay.
I get it. So
I have 2.
yeah, so I gain your 2, and I'm gonna teleport here to tie up all those guys.
Yep.
Alright. That's the Draugr.
Cool. Okay, this one just someone that has snow. I will just break the coffee and end my activation.
Right. Vincent's gonna try to kill Big Brain.
Okay, I have 5,
I got a 16.
7.
Is that okay? 16 to 7?
Not really. 11, so you have same number now, 16.
16.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna trigger the thing I always get called Carry the Flame. If I draw my sight through a pyre marker, I can then push that pyre marker 4 inches.
Okay.
So 16 to 16?
Yep.
Yep, so
And you have used the focus?
yeah,
Okay, then 2 cards.
2 damage.
Yep.
I will, one more time,
Yep. Cool.
the Spit Hog.
Okay, then defend 14 now.
14 with the exorcism.
It's really not cool. I'm cheating to avoid it.
Okay.
And the bonus session is
Yeah, I might as well. I'll protect the spirits onto that guy. Fails, so he's done.
disengage.
Okay, I'll try to stop it.
So you have minus.
Oh, so you took another burn for that,
Okay, yeah.
that first one. I'll use a burn because I got to shift the burn to give you a positive.
17.
18.
Okay then. Minus.
I used a focus, so this is going to be flat. Minus 4.
So 1 inch only. But you have only 1 mini white.
Yep. Still in the fire, at least.
Yeah. And second action, I will walk here.
Okay.
So I'm now.
Burning 4.
Yes, sure. And that's all.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's go to the shield bearer. 3, 2.
Yep. No.
Do you want to try to pass it off?
Yep, sure.
Okay.
To this green
15.
9.
So flat. Now I get all the high cards.
Okay, then I
5 damage.
that.
That will. Oh, sorry, where was he?
Oh, sorry, here.
That'll trigger another heal for the lamp pad.
Yeah, sure. That no, he's there, so I draw one and discard one, and I will have. Okay, I will have this guy shooting you.
Okay. 16.
No. Okay then.
All right. Okay. So then I'm all done.
Bonus session to creep along to a different breed and success. To push here.
Yep. Take some more burn.
Yep, 1 burn. And she will try to remove burning from different breed.
Sure.
So removing 2 should be enough. And my last action will attacking Ribbon Green to heal him. Healing 1. I'm not good with this, so I will cheat to heal 2. So end my speed hop.
Yeah, it's gonna target the spit hog with death urge.
Okay.
So it's resist willpower. 12.
More than 12.
Okay. One more time.
15.
Nope.
And
And I'll use light the way to push this corpse like over to here, and then this corpse I'll just shove a little bit over there so I can. Oh shit! Sorry. Just get a little bit better spread with Reva for next turn. Maybe you can do something. All right, then I'm all done.
I'm gonna try this. He is obeying the jugger.
All right, turn obey. 14.
At 14.
Your stats 7?
Yup. Because of bio badge. But I don't have the shoot right now.
Oh, okay.
But you have to cheat first.
I'm not gonna cheat.
Okay, then I am cheating from that. No. Then he is done.
Okay. Anybody else?
Yep. These 3 guys.
Okay.
So I think I will just hitting you.
All right.
I will first do the bonus session on good old boy. Success and killing 1 till he is full and again poison 1.
Oh, okay.
And he is beating you
All right. I'm gonna use.
on stat 6.
I'm gonna use a burning to get a positive.
Yep.
Get a
17.
15.
So do you cheat?
Go ahead.
Okay, then trigger is drinking strength. I will remove my poison to press the damage. And 3 damage. 3. Because of the trigger. And weak. And second.
I had shielding one, so I only took 2.
Okay, then second.
Okay, I'm gonna use it on the burning.
Yeah.
18?
17.
18.
I will try to cheat from there.
Okay.
No. And he's done. And focus and shoot on you.
Yeah, okay. And I'll use my last burning to give a positive. 16?
13. So I will cheat from there. 16. 4 that. 4.
4?
Yeah.
Okay. You got 1 left.
Okay, and Onaf is done.
So, here you go.
Then I am here. And the Bio-Gremlin will try to finish you off if he can.
So focus and shoot.
Yep.
Okay.
Step 5.
17.
17.
With the negative?
Oh, I have used the focus to cancel itself.
Oh, that's right, that's right.
So 1 damage.
Damage?
And yes, I think I have done all.
Okay. Alright, so at the end of that round, you'll score recover evidence,
Yep. And nothing else.
and then I don't have anything. Yeah. No, I'm gonna give up. Yeah. I don't. I was doing the calculations in my head if it was worth keep going, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose horribly.
Good game.
Good game.
What's your another skill?
I had sabotage on this building. Yeah, so I had to kind of dive into you, but you could just do so much damage. I didn't know Som'er could like just basically have everything on stat 7 and do 3 damage min on everything.
It is. And that's why I think he is the best master, the top master.
Well, he's basically like Shenlong, but he doesn't have to spend cheap points.
Yeah.